Oh, cab is full of junk. We went to Princess Auto, Cabela's, lots of different yard sales, and oh, so much stuff, so much stuff. Ay, ay, ay. And I know some of you guys know what this thing is here, but I knew what it was instantly because I looked them. I might break it if I pull it out there. Yeah, I should see who guesses what that is. So it's a reproduction. It's not original, I'm sure of it, but a couple cabinets here. Toolbox cabinet, $3. Tiller tires, but I got a few other interesting ideas for these guys. Bring it that way. Put it over there somewhere. And look what Logan did to my truck, hey? Broke it. I can't even get the gate open anymore. That's like a 3-hour job, 4-hour job. Well, if he wipes out, maybe it's worth it.
It's like that on Jesus on his knees.
I don't know what we'll use that for, but I mean, it was virtually free. Well, here's some of the scores we got here. So, this is very, very heavy. I give that almost 15 pounds. Got this guy. And this guy has a number 2 in it, cast iron. This one here's pretty heavy duty. So, Taiwan. It was cheap, like $5. This was, I think, 10 or 15. That was 5. And that we paid a little bit more than it's worth, $20. But I'm sure you guys know what that is. I know exactly what it's for. Here's a hint. You put it in between there, you add some water, and you start rolling, and you spend about 3 hours of work, and you get something out of it. I hear another car. Just came down the highway. This one I'm kind of catching on camera if I can. Quick glimpse of it. This one sounds like it's not him. Oh, maybe it is. I seen a white part. There he is. He's here. Here's a glimpse of it. There it is. Looks like it's totally nice. The new project. Should be good right there. Gonna be a fun one. Oh.
She's so pretty. We've been looking for a project like this for a while, and everything he showed me was like, you know.
Too new, ugly.
It's kind of, but this one I was like, yeah, that's the girl.
I had this and a wagon sitting in my yard, like just, I wasn't driving either one.
These are the 33s that were on her.
I thought I had 4 chrome rims here, and I'm thinking maybe I must have sent one with that 60 when I sold it, because I had one of the originals that was a spare for this.
Oh, okay.
So sorry about the not
Oh, I'm not worried about that, so.
I'm thinking you'll probably end up going with the bigger ones eventually anyhow.
Oh yeah. Well, these tires here being like brand new, I'll probably run those for the longest time.
Well, I would, like I say,
yeah.
Especially if you go to that diesel engine, it's way better with the original size tires. Maybe if I would have gone to 31, it wouldn't have been bad.
Yeah.
No, that was trying to think of how many years ago I put these big tires on. It's probably close to 30 years ago. Yeah. You know, at that time, the big tires were the thing you wanted to do, right?
You know, how long have you owned this for?
I've owned it since 1984.
Yeah.
Like were you born in 84?
87.
87, yeah.
So it must have been very nice when you got it.
It was really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
I bought it from a dentist.
Yeah?
Yeah. Had to go to Cranbrook in BC to get it.
Yeah?
What year is this again?
78.
78.
Told you it was
Yeah.
a 78.
Yeah.
I mean, there's very little difference between this and the 42 is, that's 83, 84, I think. Or 82,
Yeah.
83, 84 to 42.
Yeah.
My buddy, after I bought this, he bought a 42. And there was virtually no difference at all in it.
Yeah.
I think the engine might have been slightly bigger.
Yeah, I think they had an extra 40 horse or something.
I don't even know if it's that much. Yeah, because
Yeah.
this is a 2977. My 60 was a 3B engine, and I think it was 3122 cc's. It's very little difference, yeah. Yeah, I used to have a 52 Willys too. That was my first 4x4.
Oh, okay.
And that was a thing where I bought it. It was sort of something like this. The engine was in it, but it had a crack cylinder head and stuff.
Yeah.
And I bought that in 1978.
Big grin on his face.
That was my first experience.
You touched it.
I did.
Oh, this is so awesome. I just want to open it up and take everything out.
Well, here's the new project here. Yeah. Brand new tires on it, pretty much. I think the motor's in the back. So you guys see what I see back there for the motor? Yeah. Almost impossible to find parts for these motors anymore here. It's a 24-volt system, this vehicle. It's a BJ40 78 Toyota LandCruiser. Seized, but it does work. Needs oil, of course. You can see like little tiny patches. Needs actually a lot of body work, but I mean, it's all a project. And I'm very happy with it. I got another set of tires and rims over there. Missing one of these chrome ones, but that's not too big of a deal. These were the ones that were on it when I bought it. And the guy was actually nice enough to throw in these guys here. Put them up, mounted them on these rims. So they are freaking sweet. Look at that, hey? This one here was still good here, so we didn't swap that. Again, he only had 3 of those rims, but hey, nothing wrong. These ones were 33s, but they're so far, like, look at this. I can see right into this tire. Again, it was sitting over 10 years. Those rims might not be salvageable. I'm not too sure. I'll look into it and see. But motor's out. Guy was hunting with it. Overheated. Split the rad. He went to put in a brand new rad. And drove another couple miles and blew off a rad hose. So then he's like, okay, well, he pulled out the motor, figured out the issue was something to do with the cylinder head. So yeah, you see dual battery mounts there. Transmission just sitting there loose right now. He has a ratchet strap underneath there, a big one holding it. So rear drive shaft was removed for towing purposes. It was just hooked up to these guys here for flat towing. So it's going to be a nice project. So has a bunch of books in there, has a couple rodent treasures in here, so it's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. So it was a guy's hunting buggy. He used it for hunting. That's virtually why he bought it, from talking to him. So yeah. So again, it had been sitting. He owned it for, what did he say he bought it? I can't remember, 84. So, I am going to have fun with this guy. It's a little bit rusted across the back there. I do not want to open this door because some stuff, oh no, it's probably fine to open it. But there's the little diesel guy there. It's Model B, Toyota diesel. Cylinder heads. I know on these are common to crack in between the valves. A lot of people just run them, but in this case here, the way it blew the rad, I'm not too sure the exact issue there, but he does have the old head gasket in there by the looks of it. So when I pull it off, I'll take some better looks. Might be seized from sitting. I'm really not too sure yet. I don't want to know what... Oh, I know what that is. Chinese food, yes. Look at Logan. Start pushing. Actually, no. Just wait. I don't want you breaking off another handle. Oh. I'll pull it with the quad. It'll be easier. Just wait. You can start grabbing those tires and pulling them, bringing them up.
Well, Curtis has gone to get the quad. We're going to tow her into her daybed area, I suppose, her resting area. She needs a lot of work, but she's beautiful. Look at that. Yep. 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 Just going wide so I can get around it. What? Going wide so I can get around everything good.
More like you just forgot.
No.
Yeah. We'll find once we get this going. Okay. Well, I could stay here even right now.